Good day, everyone. My name is Sheila Rose Quizon, and for today, we will talk about the chapter 9, the teaching, the noblest of all professions. So, a lot of people say that teaching is a noblest profession, but some wouldn't agree with them. And also, a lot of people think that teaching profession, what they call teachers, is the simplest one. Teacher is only for teaching lang daw. For me, definitely it's not because teaching is the one profession that creates a lot of professions. So first, we define what is teaching. So teaching is defined as engagement with the students to enable their understanding and application of knowledge, concepts, and process. So teachers understand the topic and share it with their students by using a different or a variety of method in order for the student comprehend the topic well. So they cultivate that the student become what they wanted to become. Next is what is noble mean. According to Oxford Dictionary, it is having or showing a fine personal qualities or high moral principles and ideas. So from the word of high moral principle and ideas, we as a future educator are expecting to be manifesting high principle for proper conduct. The word of noble itself is high expectation, and teaching is considered as the noblest than the other profession. So I'll give you a few reasons why teaching is the noblest profession of all profession. So first is all professional underwent education with a teacher. So it is the parents of all profession. Real teacher teaches everything, so there is no such other profession that helps one to be a professional as well as only a teacher. So they said that teacher is a selflessness. Selfless because they always go in extent to help their student. The students treat them as a second mother. They are the one who do not just to teach and give them a lesson, but they are the one they mold student to be a great leader in the future. The second reason why teaching is the noblest of all profession. So if you want to become anything in life, a teacher is much needed, Jude. And the heart of the teacher is to shape the future of the young people or the students. It takes big heart to teach young mind, and a lot of patience is needed because it takes time to teach young mind, and there's a lot of discussion and question to be asked. Next is teaching is considered as means for God uses a teacher as to touch lives, because ever since the beginning we already know that our God uses his disciples to teach every people in land about God teaching, and this is what we just do ever since at the beginning, and some of us really did attach each other lives. Some of the teaching touch lives, so a teacher is nothing different to disciples. Next is a teacher on public servant shall always uphold the public interest over and above personal interest. Public school teachers are public servants in the same way that policemen and firefighter, and that they are charged to fulfill specific duty and service the common good. Instead of doing their personal interest, they rather choose to be work fulfill their duties. Teacher is a model for his or her students, so a teacher can influence their students' behavior, attitudes, and values. So they are not just educator lang or teacher lang. Teacher is a great responsibility, not just to teach the syllabus or give the extra activities, but there are a role model who inspired and motivates students outside the classroom as much as they are in part now in society. And also they are responsible for shaping student, making him or her a better person. So to think practically, walay teacher, kung walay teacher, walay doktor, kung walay teacher, wala po'y policeman, kung walay teacher, walay mga lawyer, and without a teacher, you cannot be a professional individual. So teacher are the backbone of society because they are the role model of a student or guidance into education and give young people the power of education. Because of teacher, our country is further developed socially and economically. So for me, teaching is the noblest among all professions, and it is a parents of all professionals. So let us be grateful for having our teacher or educator. That's all. Thank you.